What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Pro tip: getting denied doesn't mean you're denied. Being approved comes down to a few key factors, including your credit score, income, debt, and, of course, your history with credit cards. The pre-qualification process does not, nor can it, look at all of these factors without your consent, which is why most credit card applications require you to agree to a credit check, which will appear as an inquiry on your credit report. A few secured card options for bad credit applicants may not require a credit check for approval. But if you know your poor credit history and perhaps the previous misuse of a credit card is what's holding you back from being approved, that doesn't necessarily mean you won't be approved for any credit card at all. Plenty of highly rated credit cards for bad credit are available, some of which even offer cashback rewards. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.